everyone. Today I am going to deal with new topic, that is tips to organize the self-learning techniques. As we all know that today we are in a competitive world. Everyone is struggling to attain their goal. So to reach the level of expectation, one must know how to channelize their efforts to achieve their targets. So with the reference to today's topic, I have made a presentation which will definitely help you to add some improvisation in your targets to achieve. So first tip is to set our goals. So setting goals plays a very primary role, as one must know what he or she wants to do and then only the plan to be executed. So identifying what you want to learn is the first step of this process, and one must know the path which we choose in order to move ahead. So clarity of our aim, the clarity of our targets, the clarity of what we want to do is very important. So we must know what we have to do and have to set accordingly. Second tip is be determined. So determination is very important, because whatever we want to do, first we have to set our mind that yes, we need to achieve such target, we need to do such thing in systematic way, or we need to acquire such thing. So to be set mindset is very important. So mindset, which means we are determined to certain things which we want to do. We must be determinedly internally to carry forward our goals and keep working on it. So our dedication to the goal will surely give good results, and at the end will also satisfy us. So once we achieve or do the work with proper planning and it happens well, then it will definitely going to satisfy us. The third tip we have here is time management. Yes, the time management, where the time plays a very important role in human life, as equal as money plays, right? So punctuality of course play also important role, so which also adds a certain kind of systematic way to handle our work, and which will bring progress. Keeping everything ready will definitely help us to focus better, and you will be much more attentive in the class. So when we do things on time, we are definitely having successful results. It also helps us to balance multiple tasks. When we complete our one task, we definitely feel much better, and when time is available more, we can also do some other task along with this. This is a way the time management can also help you to improve our achievements and targets. The next tip here is to entrench your learning style. Now, to entrench your learning style, it means that how can we organize our learning style? We all are learning, right? Everybody is learning, but our way of learning things may differ from person to person. Everybody has a particular learning style, so we have to organize as based on our requirement or need of learning, and we can work according to that. So if we are able to better understand through videos and audios, then we must give prior to that. We must give priority to certain things, like we can more give time to listen to certain audio visuals, so that we can understand much better way. We can also attend online classes, online lessons, and refer the links as per requirements. So what we hear, it means as per the need of the particular individual, we can work on that. It is not some fixed way of learning, but we can change our learning style as per our need. So this is also we can it helps us to improvise our way of attending goal and enhance our self learning process. The next tip I am going to give you is the good practice brings perfection. Of course, the good practice brings perfection. As we do things in different way, definitely will give good results. And if practices are good, we are going to have much better results. Sometimes we also make an efforts to do things differently, and we may have trial and error method also, so that doesn't create any difference, because the more we do things in a different way, definitely we are going to know much better. We can have more options in doing things, so it will create more resource for us. So create your good opportunities to use your knowledge, and you will definitely find surprising results. And the last tip here is a self-testing technique, which means I can test myself whether I am up to the mark or no, in which area I need improvement, how can I organize and systematize my way of working style, which way I need to improve. So this is a strong and much proven learning technique. We can test ourselves, and by trying to remember things what we are learning or explaining to someone who is very near to us and are ready to listen, prepared to listen to us. And one of the benefit is that we can get immediate feedback whether we are in the right or wrong way, so, and even which areas need improvement, and we can modify our technique for self satisfying results.